everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw a beautiful butterfly. So, grab your pencils and let's get started. First, we start with the face of the butterfly. Draw a small oval shape in the center of your paper for the head, and then draw a longer, slightly curved oval for the thorax. Finally, add another elongated oval for the abdomen, tapering it towards the end. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Use your favorite colors to fill in the wings, body, and antennae. Butterflies come in all sorts of vibrant colors, so don't be afraid to make yours unique. Light blue color. Have it, a beautiful butterfly.